Hello, in front of me I've got Audi SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to manage MMI Touch Volume. MMI Touch Volume allows you to write manually via stylus. Right here we've got this panel. Simply go to the place you can type, for example right here, and type. Next, to change its volume, go to navigation, push right, and go to MMI Touch Volume.
MMI.
Adjust it. And here we've got
M.H.R.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.